Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is a video I really wasn't planning on, but anyway, yesterday I was driving home and the car was misfiring. So today in the morning I jumped behind my computer, posted a few questions on various social platforms, and within a few minutes I received countless of answers and possibilities as to what might be the problem with the car. And luckily it turned out to be a very minor problem, and it was with the spark plugs. So they weren't working properly and therefore the car was misfiring. So I changed them and the car is now working properly again. Luckily the problem wasn't anything with the carburetor. Clearly it's as old as the car and needs a little bit of refurbishing, so I will be doing that in the upcoming weeks in order to avoid any possible problems. But for now the car is working properly again, so thank you for all those helpful comments and for those quick responses, because without them I probably wouldn't have solved it myself, or I would have been doing something that would have made the car even worse. But anyway, it's working now, so thank you for that. Another thing I would like to mention in this video is the spare parts that I ordered for the green car. As I've said, they arrived on Monday, so here they are. So I've ordered brake drums, joints, braking cylinders, the springs for the brakes, brake pads, and a few other things. The wishbones are at home and the springs for the wishbones are at home. So the next thing I have to do is make an appointment with a workshop. It will be in around 2 weeks, so hopefully the car will be done in 3 weeks time. And as I've mentioned before, now I will be doing the rear of the car. The front of the car will be repaired in a few weeks in the future. So this unfortunately means that repairs for the orange car will have to be postponed once again for another few weeks or even months. I guess I will have to see and wait how that turns out. This makes me a little sad because I was very looking forward to driving the car in the summer, because I wasn't driving it very much last year, or I haven't been driving it at all in the last 10 years. But anyway, that's a topic for a completely separate and own video. Once again, thank you for those comments. Hit that like button, leave your comments down below, share this video with anyone who is interested in those cars, and everyone who might not be a mechanic just as I am, to help them out with any problems, even if it's minor problems. And see you next time. Bye bye.